Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Techie Rick. Today, Vivo's first 5G smartphone, Vivo X50, hands-on full review. Design, hardware, software, camera, and in-display fingerprint scanner. Also, my experience. How is it? This phone worth or not? Everything review on this video. Full watch, guys. Don't skip, and let's get start now. Let's look the phone. The display is a 6.44 inches Full HD Plus resolution AMOLED display. The display top right corner has a tiny punch hole notch here inside 32 megapixel front facing camera. Here, this phone running on Android 9 built-in FunTouch OS 10, but small issues is not a Android 10. So sad, right? Basic model 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, up to available 512 GB storage variant. This phone top side is 3.5mm jack and secondary noise cancel the mic here. Phone bottom side Type-C port, speaker grills and SIM card tray also here. Phone left side Jovi key, same as Samsung Bixby type. Phone backside totally 4 cameras here. Main camera 64 megapixel, secondary 32 megapixel, third 8 megapixel ultra wide, and last one 30 megapixel periscope camera, especially for the camera purpose. This camera up to support 60x digital zoom. And do you like camera? Is best phone for ever, I think. Yeah. Okay. This phone processor, Samsung new Exynos 980 processor, is 8 nanometer built-in processor with support 5G. Let's look the benchmark score. It's 3,33,000. It's really high. It's a mid-range phone, but the score is really high. It's same as Snapdragon 845. Cool, guys. Mid-range phone, Snapdragon 845 equal benchmark score. It's really good. Let's look the fingerprint test. Vivo X30 is Samsung Super AMOLED display, so this device support in-display fingerprint scanner. Okay, how is it work this device? Is fingerprint working faster or slow? This is not a ultrasonic, it's optical fingerprint scanner, but lot of the animation here on this device is so cool. Okay, let's find out is how is it work. Okay, let's try now. Wow, it's fast. Once again I'm trying. Okay, it's also fast. Okay guys, I'm just cut the video, but it's really amazing. It's fastly unlocking, but it's not very fast, but it's very fast to unlock the fingerprint scanner. This phone battery 4350 mAh battery with support 33 watts fast charging. It's cool. This phone price starting 33,000 in Indian rupees, 3299 yuan in China, and $500 in USD. My opinion, this phone is really amazing. 60x digital zoom camera with Snapdragon 845 equal processor with the punch hole, AMOLED screen, in-display fingerprint scanner. Extra lot of the features here on this device. It's really cool.